welcome back, and I am here to show you guys my combination lock door that leads all the way into my house. It goes all the way back here. Now let's get started. And if you guys want me to show you how to make a combination lock, I will make a combination lock. I will show you guys how, but I don't really care about you guys knowing my combination. I don't really want my brothers and sister to know, but this is my combination: green, cyan, and blue. And we come in. There's no way to close it from inside though, and it looks like this is it. But then there's pressure plates here. Opens the piston doors. You walk in. There's this lovely, spacious little area. I haven't designed it much. Right here's a little dropper that gives you like stuff. It gave me a bow. It just gave me a sword. You know, anything. Then we come back out and that's about it. You know what? I just decided I'm not gonna make a separate video on how to build this. I'm just gonna build it right now. Oh, this was my brother's combination house. He used different blocks. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, we're gonna go. There's not really a lot of space to do it. Let's go over here in the sand. What you're gonna need is a block of choice. I am gonna use gold. Then you need iron door, redstone torch, a lever, redstone, and 5 colored blocks. I am going to choose red, orange, yellow, green, and I'll use the gold. So first what you gotta do is lay down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lay down your 5 colors. 1, 2, 3. Orange, yellow, green, and then I'll do red again. And then what you want to do, go around, just like this, and then come around one more time. Dig one down. Go up like that. Then place your door. Then what you want to do is put levers on all 5 of your blocks. Then what you want to do is go around on this side. Take your block of choice. Go 1 row, 2 rows. Then what you want to do, whichever levers you want to be down to open the door, you put the redstone torch on it. So say I want red, green, and yellow to open my door. I put those there. Put redstone in between that and between there. And then I redstone all around here. And then what you want to do next, put a torch, redstone torch there. Dig down 1, dig down 2. Right next to it, 2, 2, 2. And 1 right here, right next to the door. Then you want to fill all that with redstone, just like that. And then you should be done. So I got red, yellow, and green. So now if I flip red, yellow, and green, it should open the door just like that. So that is my combination lock on how to build. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want me to build for you guys, let me know down in the comments. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.